Hello everyone. So we are continuing to solve our 10th Math CBSE Board Paper of 2015 Set 1. We have already finished section A and B in our previous videos. So this video we are going to do section C. It has 10 questions and 3 marks each. So let's start question number 11. So in this question we are given that the 14th term of an AP is twice the 8th term, and we are also given that 6th term is minus 8, and we have to find the sum of first 20 terms. We know AN or TN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So let's substitute now. T14 will be A plus 13D is equal to twice T8 will be A plus 7D. And here we have A plus 5D is equal to minus 8. This would be A plus 13D is equal to 2A plus 14D. A minus 2A is equal to 14D minus 13D. Minus A is equal to D, or A is equal to minus D. So substituting A in A plus 5D is equal to minus 8. So we have minus D plus 5D is equal to minus 8. 4D is equal to minus 8. So D is equal to minus 2. Therefore A is equal to minus D. So A is equal to minus into minus 2. So 2. A is equal to 2. Now we have to find sum of first 20 terms. And we know the sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 twice A plus n minus 1 into D. So let's substitute for 20. So we have 20 by 2, 2 into 2 plus 19 into minus 2. So this is equal to 10 here. So 10 into 4 minus 38. So this is equal to 10 into minus 34. So this is equal to minus 340. Answer I can write down the sum of first 20 terms of this AP is minus 340. Question 12. We have to solve for x. In this question, we are given a quadratic equation, root 3 x square minus 2 root 2 x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. So we need to split the middle term. So where sum of the two numbers should be minus 2 root 2 and product has to be minus 2 root 3 into root 3. So product has to be minus 6. So we can think of the number as minus 3 root 2 and root 2. The product is minus 6 and sum is minus 2 root 2. Root 3 x square minus 3 root 2 x plus root 2x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. 3x is common. X minus root 6 plus root 2 is common. X minus root 6 is equal to 0. So we have root 3x plus root 2 into x minus root 6 is equal to 0. So we have x is equal to minus root 2 by root 3 or root 6. Answer. Question number 13. This question says the angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point A on the ground. So let this be point A and the angle of elevation is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. After a flight of 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. If the aeroplane is flying at a constant height of 1500 root 3 meters, you have to find the speed in kilometer per hour. So this is 30 degrees now, and we have to take this. So time here is 15 seconds, and this height is 1500 root 3 meters. So let's name all the vertices: A, B, C, let this be D and E. So we have to basically find the distance of BC because we know the time here and we can find out the speed with that. Tan 60 degree is equal to EB by AB. So tan 60 degrees root 3 and EB is 1500 root 3 by AB. So AB is equal to 1500 meters. Now let's find out tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to DC by, this is 30 degree, DC by AC. So tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3 is equal to 1500 root 3 by AC. Therefore AC is equal to 1500 into root 3 into root 3. So this is equal to 4500 meters. Okay, now we have to find BC. So BC will be equal to AC minus EB. So we have AC as 4500 minus 1500, so 3000 meters. Now speed, we know it is equal to distance by time. So distance is equal to 3000 meter, and I have to change into kilometers, so I'll divide by 1000. And time is equal to 15 seconds, and I will change into hours. So this I have to find in kilometer per hour. So I can write down like that. 30 gets cancelled by 3 zeros. 3, 1, 5 and 12. So this is equal to 720 kilometer per hour. So that's the answer. Question number 14. In this question, we have 2 points, A and B. And we are given the coordinates -2, and this is 2 and -4. And we have to find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3/7 of AB. So we are given the ratio of this is to this. This is 3 and this is 7. Therefore AP is to PB is equal to 3:4. PB is equal to 7 minus 3, so it will be equal to 4. So now we can say that M1 is 3 and M2 is equal to 4. X1 is equal to -2, Y1 is equal to -2, X2 is equal to 2 and Y2 is equal to -4. And we have to find the coordinates of P. So let the coordinates of P be X and Y. And we have to use the section formula as, so the coordinates X and Y will be equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2, and Y would be equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. Okay, now let's substitute the values here. So X and Y will be equal to 3 into 2 plus 4 into -2 divided by 3 plus 4. Then here we have 3 into minus 4 plus 4 into minus 2 divided by 3 plus 4. So we have this equal to 6 minus 8 by 7, and this would be minus 12 minus 8 by 7. So this gives me minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. So these are the coordinates. The coordinates of P are minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. Question number 15 on probability. So in this question they are giving probability of selecting a red ball, and it has only red, blue and orange balls. This is equal to 1 by 4, and probability of selecting a blue ball from the same jar is 1 by 3, and orange balls are 10, and we have to find the total number of balls. And we already know the sum of all the probabilities. Probability of red ball plus probability of blue ball plus probability of getting a orange ball will be equal to 1. So we have probability of red ball is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3 plus probability of getting orange ball is equal to 1. So probability of getting an orange ball will be equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So we have probability of getting an orange ball is equal to 12 minus 3 minus 4 by 12. So we have probability of orange ball is equal to 12 minus 7, so 5 by 12. Now we know probability of an event is equal to number of outcomes by total number of outcomes, like total balls I can say. Probability of orange ball is given as 5 by 12 and orange balls are 10, and by total balls. So total balls is equal to 10 into 12 by 5, so 24 balls. So that's the answer. Question number 16. In this question we have to find the area of minor segment. So let this be minor segment, and with radius is 14 centimeter, and the central angle is 60 degree. So we have to find the area of minor segment, and we have to find the area of major segment. Area of minor segment will be equal to area of minor sector minus area of triangle AOB. So let's write down the formula first. So area of minor sector will be equal to theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. As the central angle is 60 degree and other two angles will also be equal, as OA is equal to AB, both are radii, so we can take these two angles as 60 degrees, so it is an equilateral triangle. So area of triangle will be root 3 by 4 into radius square. So we have 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 minus root 3 by 4 into 14 into 14. Now we have this as 1 by 6, and this is 2 here, 2, 3, 14 twos are 28, 28 and 30. 308 by 3 minus 7 and 7. 49 root 3. So we have 308 minus 49 into 3 root 3 divided by 3. So we get 308 minus 147 root 3 by 3. I can keep calculating. So 308 minus 147 into 1.732 will get 300. 147 into 1.732 will be 21 4. Then we have 7 4 32 3 10 here. Then we have 147 so 40 and 16 14 5 2. So I have 3 decimal points, so 254.604 divided by 396 and 7 minus 4 is 3 and 53.96 divided by 3. 3 1 then 23 7 decimal point 21, so again 7 9 and I can write down 9, so approximate 17.8 centimeter square because radius is given in centimeters. Now so this is the area of minor segment. Now area of major segment will be equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. So we have already found out area of minor segment. Here I can write down as pi r square minus 17.8. So we have 22 by 7 into radius is 14 into 14, this twice, so 44 into 14 minus 17.8. 14 4 56 4 56 and 5 is 616 minus 17.8. So we get roughly 0.28 here, then 95 centimeter square. Answer I can write down as area of minor segment is 17.8 centimeter square and area of major segment is 598.2 centimeter square. Question number 17. In this question, we have a welfare association. It requested government to get 100 tents fixed immediately and they would offer the 50% of the cost. Now tent is in the form of the cylinder and this diameter is 4.2, so radius will be equal to 2.1 meter and height is 4 meter and a conical part is there on the top. The diameter is same and height of this conical part is 2.8 meter. Okay, canvas used is 100 per square meter. So now we have to find the total surface area. Total surface area would be curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder. And always remember, tent is open from the bottom. Okay, so this will be equal to pi r L plus 2 pi r H. So I can take pi r common, L plus 2H here. Now let's substitute the values, and L I can calculate separately also. L will be equal to square root of H square plus R square. So L is equal to, height is 2.8 whole square plus 2.1 whole square. So this is equal to 7.84 plus 4.41. We get here as 5 and 2 and 12.25. Okay, so this is a perfect square, we know. So this L is equal to 3.5 meter. Okay, now let's substitute L here. So 22 by 7, radius we have as 2.1, and L is 3.5 plus 2 into 4, height of the cylinder. So 7, 0.3, we have 6.6 into 8 and 3, 11.5. Let's do some rough work here. So we have 115 into 66. So 6 and 3, 9, 690, 690. So we get 75.90, 2 decimal points. Meter square for 100 tents area of canvas will be equal to 75.90 into 100. So this will be equal to 7590. So 50% cost will be equal to 7590 tents, and 50% will be 50 by 100. Cost is rupees 100 per meter square. This gets cancelled by this. So we have 2 zeros, 45, 25, 29, 237. So this much will be the cost answer. The amount association has to pay is rupees 379500, and they are asking the value shown by these association, means they were helping the flood victims. Value based questions. Question 18. In this question, we are given a hemispherical bowl of internal diameter is 36. So I'll take radius is equal to 18 centimeter. And the liquid in it is filled into 72 cylindrical bottles. So this is my cylindrical bottle of diameter 6. So radius is equal to 3 centimeter. We have 72 bottles. We have to find the height. 10% of liquid is wasted. Volume of hemisphere, right? Liquid in that, minus 10% of volume of hemisphere is equal to 72 into volume of cylinder. So volume of hemisphere formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube minus 10% of 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 72 into pi r square h. Now according to this pi I can take common and it gets cancelled here. Now I can take this gets cancelled, 2 by 3 r cube common, 1 minus 1 by 10 is equal to 72 into r square h. Now let's substitute the radius and the height. So 2 by 3, radius of hemispherical bowl is 18 into 18 into 18, and this becomes 9 by 10. This is equal to 72 into 3 into 3 into height. 3 times 1, 3, 6 times. So height will be equal to 2 into 6 into 18 into 18 into 9 by 10 into 72 into 3 into 3. So 3 and 3, 9 here, 18, 1, 4 and 2, 2 times 2, 1 time 3. So height I am getting 18 into 3 is 54 by 10. So 5.4 centimeter. That's the answer. Question 19th. In this question, we are given a cubical block and side is equal to 10 centimeter and it is surmounted by the hemisphere. On the top, we will have this kind of surface. This will be shown, and that part of the top of the block. What would be the largest diameter? Therefore, largest diameter that the hemisphere can have is equal to 10 centimeter. It can't have greater than that, otherwise it will be coming out. Okay, we have to find the total surface area because we have to find the cost of painting the total surface area. So total surface area of this solid would be total of 6 surfaces, right? So all the 6 surfaces, because on the 6th surface I would say that I will subtract pi r square. So total surface area will be TSA of cube minus area of circle for the top plus surface area of hemisphere which is surmounted. Now let's write down the formulae. So total surface area of cube is 6a square side square minus area of circle is pi r square plus surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. And this would be 6a square plus pi r square. So now 6 into side is 10 into 10 plus 22 by 7 into radius is equal to 5 into 5. So this we have 600 plus 25 to 50, 25 to 550 by 7. 4200 plus 550 divided by 7. This we get 50 and 4750 by 7. 6 times 42, 55, 7 times 49, so 60, and 8 times 56. Then we have 40, 35, 57. This is the total surface area, and we have to find the cost of painting. This is equal to 5 rupees per 100, that's rate, into area. So area is 678.57. This is in centimeter square. So we are getting 5, 35, 25, 28, 2, 42, 4, 39, 3, 339 and 4 decimal points. So 33.9285 rupees. This is the answer. Question 20, last question of this section. So in this question we are given 504 cones. So these cones into 504. Diameter is 3.5. So radius will be equal to 3.5 by 2 centimeter. And height is equal to 3 centimeter. They are melted and recast into a metallic sphere. Find the diameter of the sphere and its surface area. So now we can say volume of 504 cones is equal to volume of sphere. So let's write down the formula first. So 504 cones and volume of one cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. I have taken small r and capital R to differentiate between the radii of cone and sphere. Let's substitute the values now. So we have 504 into 1 by 3 into pi into radius is 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2 into height is 3 is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into r cube. So pi gets cancelled, this 3 gets cancelled. So we have r cube is equal to 504 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 3 divided by 2 into 2 into 4. So we have this 252, 6 times 24, 3. And if we remove these two decimal points, I'll have 10 and 10 here. So 7 and 7, this is 2 and 2. So we have r cube as 63 into 7 into 7 into 3, and here we have 8. So r cube I can write down as 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7 into 7. 63 I have factorized as 3 into 3 into 7, and here we have 2 into 2. So we can make pairs of 3 and we can write down radius is equal to 3 into 7 by 2, so 21 by 2. Okay, so therefore diameter is equal to 21 centimeter. Now we have to find the surface area also. So surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. We have 4 into 22 by 7 into 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. So we have these cancelled and this 3. 66 into 21. So we get 21, 6 and 138. So 1386 centimeter square. So answer I can write down as diameter is equal to 21 centimeter and surface area is equal to 1386 centimeter square. So we have finished section C in this video, and we are going to do section D in our next video. So stay tuned and see you all.